I saw recently on one of the Xtool Facebook groups that someone had bought these coasters from Ikea. So I thought I'd buy a set and have a look to see what they will do. They are obviously gold in colour, brass in colour, but when I read the label in the leaflet that came with them, it did say that they were made from stainless steel, and I've had some really good success with stainless steel, but I'm not sure what difference the coating will make. So I'm going to give it a go and see what happens. Well, I've taken them out of the packet just to have a look, and they do have a good weight to them, and they've got a rubberized backing. The actual metal itself is, well, I would guess less than 1 millimeter, and then you've got the rubberized backing, so it'll be interesting to see what these do when we put them into the machine. This is the design I'm going to try and do. I'm doing an engraving, and it's in XCS, and I'm just using the standard stainless steel settings that they have in there. It tells me it's going to take about 14 minutes. So let's have a look, see how it works. It is a very, very reflective surface, and if it is another metal, then maybe we'll see absolutely nothing at the end. If it's stainless steel, we'll have to wait and see. It's been going for a couple of minutes now, and it's quite clear that it is leaving a mark. So let it go a little bit longer and we'll see how well it's come out. It's been going for about 5 or 6 minutes now, and there's clearly some engraving going on there, and it's actually looking quite good to me. It's coming up to, I've just gone past 8 minutes now, and I think we're getting fairly close to the end of this engraving. I didn't centre it very well, so I've got a little bit to one side, but that aside, I think it's coming out really well. And 8 minutes 30. This is going to take about 9 minutes to complete. Job done, and that worked really well. My glasses off now so I can actually see what's going on, and just move this out of the way, and there it is. I'm really happy with that. Excellent. The settings, this is in XCS. I don't use Lightburn, so I use the setting which was for the silver bone dog tag, which is a standard setting there. But if you want to just look, the power was 100%, the speed was 50, and with just one pass, and I suppose need the lines per inch, lines per centimetre, which was set at 100. So they're just the standard settings. I didn't change those at all, just ran it through the machine, and very pleased with the output. Just having a look now in the daylight, and yeah, still very, very pleased. Turn it over, that's the rubberized backing, that doesn't seem to have been affected at all, but the actual engraving, very, very good. Normally when I'm doing stainless steel, I do the score rather than the engrave, which is on the Xtool, so I thought I'd give that a try as well. So let's just see how that works. This one says it's going to take only about a minute to do the same design, but just scoring it, so it's just really just doing the outline. that's just taken 46 seconds. So let's see what the difference is with that one. Again, I just didn't do very well on the centering too, but actually I don't know, quite like that one too. We'll just take it outside, have a look in the light, and see what the difference is. So that one is on the score setting, and again, I'm really quite happy with that. That's exactly what I wanted. Just to put the two side by side, well, it pays your money and you takes your choice. I do quite like the scored one. Now, I've just taken them into the house, and I have noticed something, and that is the one which is engraved is actually warped. So the heating effect is actually warped. Whether I can bend that out, I'm not so sure. The one that is just the line doesn't seem to have been affected at all by the heat. This one obviously got a lot more lasering. Well, I hope you found that video interesting, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.